This is like your position, zoom in, zoom out, 1:1 scale. This is standard. This is if any information is required. This is all display. This is distance measuring tool. This is okay. This is now I'll show you this one. This is like layers. So what all layers are required? So if you want to see routine, like you will see now, you will see all the routes. I think this one. Yeah, you have to go over here and then select all the routes. If you can see this, all the routes, routine, whatever other, you will get to select them. You get to see them. Okay. Next thing is over here is environment AIO. These are the maps. Okay. Then another thing is Admiralty. Whatever list of lights and all these things, you will be able to select them. Coming down, you have this Marpol zones, ballast water, whatever are there. So this, I'll show you this. This is how it will highlight the areas. Let me see if I can show you. Settings and then so this is how, just a moment. Okay, so now that I have selected all here, so you can see these are the orange, blue, pink color markings. So right now I am into this. I cannot do some ballast water exchange because I'm not 200 nautical miles and all these things. Alright. So these are the white color areas where you can go ahead with ballast water exchange. So this is how you can turn this on and then you can come to know directly. Same thing for Marpol zones, whatever are there, as I had shown you over there. Alright. So let's move on and then I'll come back to that menu again later. This is publications. So whatever publications you are having, so this is where it will be showing digital radio signals. For example, if you click, you will get all the whichever place you want. You can just find out. For example, Xiamen. Where you will be able to find publications, digital list of Admiralty, digital list of lights. Same thing with your AENP. So this is the AENP. You click over here and then if you want to see Mariner's Handbook, just double click. It is showing it is loading. This is how you will be able to get. So this Watchila approach is a wonderful thing, wonderful tool. So basically you get everything in one station. You don't have to store it in some places and all that. Same thing, ADP certificate. Just before arrival, you just take a printout and then you can show it to PSC officers or something. AENP certificate, same thing. Okay. Let's move on to these are the overlays, AIO overlays, whatever are there. And this is your tide and so basically if you want to for example with the cursor, now I don't know which place, let me show you where my ship is right now. Okay, somewhere here, and then if I click it by cursor, okay, somewhere out here. So in this area, see it, if you can see them clearly. So how I'm able to see this. In this area, whatever information, see. So in this area you have this place called this place, and then for that you can always select, you will get a diagram over here in the waveform, and then you will come to the tide, and tide table is here. Yeah, you see this one. So this tidal currents and everything, you can explore this all details. So now this is how you go about ordering charts and everything. I've just explained you most of the things. Let me know if you have some regarding support. Yeah, good. I got reminded. So basically, go to this option over here, integral menu, support. Select this support, and then support request. Okay, see, I had made 2 requests. One is case is solved. So it is like online. For example, what was this one? I can double click here. ABC's catalog is updated to week 21 of 20. Okay, so this was the request that was made. So this case has got solved and all these things. But for making a new request report. Okay, now technical request title. What exactly you want? Like didn't receive weekly update, charts not up to date, or anything problem that you are facing with the Varchila. Alright. So visit chart support, technical support. Okay, last configuration backup or whatever. Nothing, no need to write, but just make a description over here that whatever procedure you have followed and whatever things you have done. No need to just leave these things empty. In case name, write your ship's name and then your ship's email ID, and then you will be able to send it directly. That's how you send it. After it will go to this Varchila @support. Okay. So we have like this one had came. We received new 66 ENCs, but chart catalog is showing previous total ENCs to 40. We tried sending chart catalog update several times, but no changes. So this was like if you